Hello, my dear students. How are you all? Welcome to our online classes from LPM Public School, situated at Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. This is your science teacher, Nancy Pandey. So, students, in my today's class, I am going to teach you the remaining part of chapter number 8, that is things around us. Before starting our next topic, let's have a quick overview on this chapter. So students, in this chapter we learn that there are many things around us. They are either natural or man-made. So, things such as air, water, plants, animals, rocks, etc., which are not made by man and are found in nature, are called natural things. Natural things are either living or non-living, like human, animals, plants are natural and living things, but natural things like rock, sand, river, etc. are natural things, but they are non-living things. So students, in our previous video we discussed about man-made things also. Things such as books, tables, toys, clocks, which are made by humans and are not found in nature, are called man-made things. Now students, let's move on to our topic, living and non-living things. Living things eat, food, breathe, grow and reproduce. So students, here the definition of living things is: living things eat food, breathe, grow and reproduce. Example of living things are birds, plants, animals and human. Now let's come to the next topic, non-living things. Non-living things do not need food, breathe, grow or reproduce. The example of non-living things are rocks, water, air, sand, clock and pencil. All living things are natural things. For example, a bird is a living as well as a natural thing. Non-living things can be either natural or man-made. For example, a rock is a non-living but natural thing, whereas a clock is a non-living and man-made thing. Let's discuss why are all living things called natural things. Because living things eat food, breathe, grow and reproduce and are found in nature. They are not man-made. Now let's come to the next topic, different types of materials. Man-made things are usually made from different materials. We get these materials from both living and non-living things. So students, man-made things are made of different materials that we get from both living and non-living things. Example of materials are wood, rubber, metals and plastic. Let's discuss about them. First one is wood. Wood is used to make objects such as tables, chairs and pencils. The second one is rubber is used to make objects such as balloons, tires, gloves and erasers. Metals are used to make objects such as utensils, ornaments, cars and machines. The last one is plastic. Plastic is used to make objects such as bottles, buckets, mugs and combs. So students, look at these pictures. This is a picture of rubber tire. The tire of your bicycle, bike, car are made of plastic and the car is made up of metal and the utensils is also made of metals. Utensils are also made of metals. Metal spoon and fork in wooden holder. Look at this picture. Metal spoon and fork in wooden holder. Now let's come to the keywords. Natural things. Things found in nature that are not made by man are called natural things. Man-made things. Things that are made by man and not found naturally are called man-made things. Living things. Natural things that grow and multiply on their own are called living things. Non-living things. Things that do not have life in them are called non-living things. So my dear students, I hope you understood this whole chapter by the video. So you have to read this chapter and you have to do all the work in beautiful handwriting which is given during your live classes and you have to learn them properly. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy and stay at home. Thank you students. Bye and take care.